Hi, David is here from Karma. So this is the September update in our product. I know we've skipped a few months, but we were fairly busy with all the new features and all the improvements that we've made in the product. Have been made heaps, and hopefully you'll find them all really helpful with your everyday life with our product. So first we'll start with the second card that you can add specifically for the rewards. So not only we rework the whole card section, but also we have a separate card now that you can add for rewards only. So if you're in your company, you have different budgets. For example, if you have one budget that your subscription's taken care of, and then the all the other reward systems, they do come from your separate card. So now you can add the separate card, and every time your employee will purchase the gift card through our gift card system, it'll go through this different card. So I think it's great. And also with that comes your history. So now, like previously, you would have all of the receipts and everything else all like in a pile. So you had your automated rewards and your subscription. Now you have two different tables. So this are your receipts from buying the actual rewards, and these ones are your subscription. So they are separate now. So they all the invoices and the receipts, which is really good. And then let's go to the next new features. So for that, I have to log to our demo account. So let's go to demo account, and we've done quite a lot of work on your reports and automated of birthdays and anniversaries. So first of all, we fixed that notorious data picker that everyone emailed us about, and it was completely unusable. I really apologize for that, and it's all sparkling new now. So you can select the year, a month, and a date, and it's quite seamless, and it's zero effort on doing that. But the most important thing is you can bulk import all of your birthdays and anniversary data. Really helpful. So all you have to do is get a CSV file with the name of a person, their date of birth, and their anniversary date. So if you're not sure how does that work, just download the template, and when you download our template, it'll actually download your user list, but without birthdays and anniversaries. So I've done that earlier, and then I can show you how that works. So I have a template there. It looks like this, though I'll close it down without saving, and I'll import that. So just drag and drop. Next. Now you have to specify which one is your email address, which one is your birthday, or skip the column if you have like some column that you don't use, work anniversary one, a bit of a prep work, and then you do the import, goes like that, and you have all your records that were updated. And in my particular example, 0 failed. If you have like a wrong data format, it'll fail, and then you can download report, and it'll tell you exactly which line failed, and you can fix that and re-input the data. And now look at this. Every single account would have a birthday and work anniversary date, which is nice. And so what I would be busy doing right now, and I think it'll come out in the October update, just to quickly go through the new features that we'll have. We'll rework how our settings screens look like. So right now, if you remember, our settings screen looks like this. So you go into settings, and in settings you have everything on your menu on your left hand side. So what we'll have is the screen is going to look like this. So your features and general features will be in top, like billing and departments and roles, and then the feature list is going to be just below. So this is the first feature, and I think the way I will do that is that we'll trim down and we'll reorganize how the actual settings menu is going to look like on the second level. And then instead of the menu on the left hand side, you'll have descriptions. It's more breathy. You'll be able to go back to the main menu. So I think it is nice. It's modern. It gives the product a really fresh look, and most of all, it's usable. And then what we'll do, the next feature is we updated the branding, the way that you can actually change the point's name. So a lot of people will actually email us back saying like, hey, I don't like Karma, our program called like High Fives or Champions or something like that. How can we actually change that name from Karma to High Fives, for example? And usually we say, well, there's not really a way of doing that because it's quite complicated, but we got together, thought about it, and it is doable. So we'll give you a way how you could actually change the name of a product. So I'll give you a few presets. You can do like Karma, High Fives, Points, Kudos. Those things you can just select and use. If your points are Kudos, then you can use it like that. But if your program named different, like here's an example, but if your program named differently, then you'd be able to input the singular form and the plural form of your program, and that'll automatically update everywhere, dashboard, cards, everywhere. And that'll give you like 100% customization of our product. So no longer you have to commit to the name Karma. It could be anything that reflects your brand or reflects your program. You can do it, and it's easy as 1, 2, and 3. And the last but not the least, the birthdays and anniversaries right now work as the reminder, but we will actually automate that, and Karma will actually send a card on someone's birthday and anniversary in the public channel, which is nice and convenient. And you emailed and chat to us a few times saying like, hey guys, when that feature is going to be in production, it'll be later this year. I'll probably say October, November max. But birthdays and work anniversaries would not only be on the reminder level that you can't really customize right now, but I'll be in a fully customizable reminders plus automatic cards. So that's all that I have to tell you in today's update. Thanks for using our product. You guys are great. If you have any feedback, feel free to email me back at david@karmabot.chat, or use just the form in your Slack in the Karma menu, or just go to our website and use our chat window for that. Appreciate your time. Thanks for using our product, and have a great week ahead of you. Thank you. Bye-bye.